Hey, this is Mike with Covered Up Pond Pros. I'm actually out here in Parker, Colorado. I'm redoing this swim pond. And so this swim pond had some issues with basically circulation, not enough movement in the pond, not enough filtration. We actually cannot maintain this pond. So we're actually going to be going through those steps, tearing it apart, and we're going to be showing you guys what it is that we want in a swim pond. So stay tuned. We'll talk to you soon. So I want to dive in more detail into what we're talking about. I want to basically dive into more of the 5 elements that we normally promote into any pond. But basically when it comes to a recreation pond or a swim pond, we definitely want to just beef it up when it comes down to those 5 elements. Those five elements are aeration, circulation. We want lots of movement in that pond. We do want plants, we want fish. We want to make our filtration side of it, which is a biologic filtration and mechanical filtration. So we generally did kind of like focus all those things into 5 elements. We just want to beef those up. And so when we start diving into things like a wetland, what is a wetland? I'm not going to dive into that right now, but please check out our video here to the right or to the left. We'll definitely dive into that a lot further. So when we talk about circulation and that sort of thing, generally we want to push a lot more flow going through this pond. We're talking about almost 100,000 gallons of water in this thing. So we're talking almost about 90, in this one in particular, 90,000 gallons. And so this pond is a lot of water to move. Now, if we were to do a simple 10,000 gallon per hour pump, even that is just not enough. We definitely want to dive into that more deeper, get more circulation and aeration into this pond. Just wanted to show you guys on the swim pond that we're upgrading. We've got this natural look where we got these natural boulders. These are great boulders to work with. The problem that we run into is we've got basically our liner exposed, so we definitely want to hide the liner. We don't want that exposed to UV light. It's going to damage the liner itself. It's going to prematurely wear it out. Now the other thing is that we actually want to have this interactive pond. And so we want this pond to be more interactive in a way that you can enter it and exit very, very easily. So with this type of setup, it's actually a little bit difficult to get in and out of. And so what we're doing in here is that we're actually going to install some of these Sloan stones. So as we're building these, I actually want it to be a lot safer, so I'm having easy access in and out of the pond, and so I can easily enter and exit the pond, make it more interactive and very, very easy for us to get in and out of. So I'm back on actually the 4th day, just kind of following up on checking on the pond as far as filling. It actually filled all night, most of the day yesterday. We've got almost, I think, 90,000 gallons on this pond, but had the autofill going all night. It's actually still filling, so everything looks great. I'm gonna get the fish back in and get my net and get them back into this pond, so they'll be happy to swim in this pond again.